Hi, I'm Sherry Landis. I work for Pacific Dental Services. I am a compliance and safety manager. The project with Hu-Friedy started with a vendor partnership. We did a trial for a year. Two things happened. One, Sharp's injuries were eliminated to 0%, and the time frame that it took to process the sterilization of the instruments went down by 8 minutes. Now that we've implemented these in approximately 100 offices, the feedback continues to be the same. They really love the cassettes.
My name is Maggie and I've been with PDS for 8 years. The best part of the IMS cassette system is the efficiency that it provides for our office. It kept organization in the lab flowing great, and the injury reports went down because assistants weren't in direct contact with the instruments. Before we had the cassettes, the sterilization process felt like it took forever. With the time that we've saved with these cassettes, we're able to spend more one-on-one time with our patients. We're able to see more patients throughout the day. They have made my life in my office so much easier. My assistants are happier, my providers are happier, my patients are happier. We've all fallen in love with these cassettes, and we don't want them to go anywhere.